Alright folks, I've just finished doing an oil change on this. Still got the belly pan over there to put back on, but a bit of the plastic broke a little bit, so I've glued it up and strengthened it. So I'm waiting on the glue to cure. So I just thought I'd give you a little show round of the bike. Carbon look front mudguard by the Carbon King. Real good quality part actually, really sturdy. It's also got a power bronze rear mudguard in the carbon look as well, with a sort of stainless mesh on it. It's got these aftermarket full size mirrors and a carbon effect. Carbon effect on the fuel cap. It's also got a power bronze rear seat blank in carbon. The rear and front indicator housings are finished in carbon. Both LEDs front and back. It's got this tail tidy on it, which is far tidier than the original one. It's also got this aluminium sort of look, or I believe it is aluminium, chain cover, chain guard. It's got RMG bobbins on the rear for paddock stands. It's got these aftermarket foot pegs, don't know what brand they are. RMG, don't know if that's just an extended sort of bigger foot on the side stand, but it's a big bugger anyway. It's got engine guard, or drop guards, or crash guards, or whatever you want to call them. It's got adjustable clutch and brake levers, which are pretty cool with the MT-125 on them. They feel good actually. It's got this little screen on the front. It's got the dark side of Japan graphic. It's also got these mesh air intakes, both sides obviously. I think that's about it. Bar ends, RNG bar ends, which are a bit longer. I noticed if you did drop this, the handle, the grips, what's the word, lever, that's the word I'm looking for, wouldn't hit the ground because these stick out a bit more. But no heated grips, no heated seat, although this is a comfort seat, I've heard. So again, another mod, but somebody's went all out. Little tiny one there as well was this Savage reservoir cap for the rear brakes, although I believe you can get one for here as well. So there's one mod I can do myself, God. I already had one issue with the bike. When you turned the steering to the left, everything would just cut off. It was down to this wire, or it was a bunch of wires, 4 wires, and they all had a brake across them. And when you steered left, it stretched the cable, breaking the connection. So it had just been a badly routed cable. Somebody had obviously done a bit of work on it at one point and left the cable, so it was pinching on the stop when you turn the steering, like a guillotine effect. So when you turned it left, it was stretching it, breaking the connection, cutting everything off. So I noticed it myself, the actual breaking the cable, so that was handy. Then I got my dad to fix it, he's good at soldering and stuff like that, so all good. So there we go folks, nearly forgot, full Scorpion exhaust, which I had to actually take off to do the oil change, because the sump plug, which is right under here, is blocked by the exhaust. So, hour, only an hour to do the full job. So, pretty pleased with this. Looking forward to getting a CBT done and getting on two wheels. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, I've bought some gear, so I'll do a video showing you some of the gear I've bought and stuff. So, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.